How to manage the Instagram parental controls in 2026. Well, hello everyone, welcome into this channel. Managing Instagram parental controls is centralized through Meta's Family Center. First, make sure both you and your teen's app are updated to the latest version, so you'll have to make sure of that. Then on the parent's account, what you need to do is just head over to your Instagram ID. Tap on the Instagram app. Now simply head into your profile. Now tap on the horizontal lines. Now what you want to do is you need to open the Family Center. It should be under Account Center. Tap on the Account Center. So under Family Center, you want to do is you want to select Supervision mode, then select Create Invite and select your teen if you already follow each other or share the invite link. On the teen's device, they have 48 hours to open the notification and accept it. Once connected, you can return to Family Center on your account to view the dashboard and manage the setting. So, hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.